1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some cool STP, Interstate love song. Alright. And this is not for beginners. This is pretty hard stuff. We got the intro, which is basically the same as the chorus. We got that melody in between the verses and the chorus, and then we got the verses. Alright, so let's start with the intro. C sharp minor. 4, 6, 6, 5, starting on the A string. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down. E major. A, 2, I guess it's called. So 2, 2, starting on D string. To A flat 7, got a bar 4, 6, and then second finger on 5 G string. Then back to A and end on E. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we got the melody. So you got to bend second fret B string and play the high E string at the same time. Bend and then back and then open B and E string. And then 2 on the G string and also play the B string. And then 1, 2 G string, open B, open E to a full E chord. E and this chord, that's 4, 4, 2. We get the verses. We can play this 2 different ways, especially if we play it on electric. You can just grab 2 notes, it's easier. So that would be 4, 4, 4, 6, A string, D string. keep your pinky, move first finger down to 3rd fret. And then 2, 3. 1, 2. And then A. So that one more time, and then we'll go over the full chords. If you want to play the full chords, some weird stuff going on here. We got a C sharp minor 7. So that's the first chord we learned. And then we got to move down to C over A flat major. So C in the bass and A flat major. That's 6. 3, 6, 5, 4. Okay. And then 3rd chord looks like this. I don't even know what that's called, but so that's 2, 3, 4, and 2. Here's the notes. And then we got the B flat minor 7 flat 5. That's 1, 2, 1, 2. And then end on A. Okay. That's all the parts. Let's go over that one more time before we end the lesson. C sharp minor, intro, E major, A, add 9, A flat 7, A, and E. And same thing for the choruses. So they basically start with the chorus. Lick. Okay, and then the verses. You can play it 2 ways, 2 notes, or full chords. That's a tricky one right there. Okay, cool. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more rocking songs.